gonna squeeze through my fangs to see what's going on here. Oh my. Lloyd! This is what I'm oh-mying about. This was one of our big trees. Oh man. There's our barn. Oh my. That's a big tree that fell. Jeez. Oh no, my papaya tree. Oh, it's naked. Oh well. I didn't even know it existed until a couple days ago. Oh. Alrighty, let's see what's going on here. Oh, there's Cosmos' sign. Well, luckily didn't have to be out here, but it looks like it was, oh good, all my cobwebs got blown down. That should save some time. Oof. Deep water. This is not good. That did not have a hump there. Shoot.